how to transfer Blockfi to Coinbase. Hi everyone, today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer from Blockfi to Coinbase. So in order to transfer from Blockfi to Coinbase, all you have to do is stick with us till the end. The first step is you need to open up your Coinbase account. Once you're done creating your account, after that you need to verify your Coinbase account and all sort of things. Now in order to begin with the procedure or the withdrawal procedure, you'll need to first of all select what type of cryptos you're sending from Blockfi to Coinbase. So for that you need to tap the receive button since you're receiving on the Coinbase, and after that you need to select the cryptocurrency that you are receiving. Once done selecting the cryptocurrency, next page you need to go ahead and select the wallet address or copy or save the QR code. So once you're done copying this address with the copy button, now you'll need to exit out of your Coinbase and then open up your Blockfi. So once you're logged into your Blockfi account, this is going to take you to the other interface. Now you need to enter in your credential and log in into your Blockfi account. Once you're logged into your Blockfi account, this is going to take you to the other interface where you need to tap the tab bar icon located in the top right hand side corner. After you're done with that procedure, you'll be taken to this page where you need to go ahead and select withdraw first of all. After that, select the cryptocurrency you'd like to withdraw. Then you'll need to select which wallet you'd like to send it to. Now you'll need to select new wallet. Then you'll need to paste in the wallet address that you've recently copied, or you can also scan the QR code. After pasting in the wallet address, click the review button, and after reviewing the withdrawal for accuracy, you'll need to click the confirm button. Once you've done that, you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully transferred. In this way, you can transfer cryptocurrency from Blockfi to Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.